So you're starving and you really want some good food? Break out the frozen meat, defrost it, and do this. It's a lifesaver. And it'll give you enough stuff to freeze so you can make another one pretty much without any effort. So as you can see here, bit of meat, bit of mince. I'm measuring out some ingredients here. Everything is in the doobly-doo below, all the quantities. This is just giving you kind of a pictorial of what you need to do. Looks like Ireland, doesn't it? Some onions, sweat them a little bit, throw them into the big pot. This is like the second or maybe the third batch of mince. Throw it into the pot. There's the third batch. Get your parsley in there. Don't forget your bay leaf. Then you start throwing in your tomato sauce. An entire tube of tomato concentrate. Those little kind of tomato-y cherry tomatoes. I popped them off camera. It was quite enjoyable actually to gently pop them. And then get a good mix. Now you're going to have to simmer it for like, I don't know, 2 hours? This is me just messing around with it. I thought it looked pretty. Well, this was fun. The lasagna sheets dry. I used the scissors to shape them perfectly so they went right up to the corner. Yes, ADHD is a thing. Here, it's sizzling and simmering away. For 2 hours. The smell was amazing. This is a beautiful ragu. You're going to love it. So now you're going to have to make a bechamel, which is like, I don't know, half a litre of milk. Get half an onion in there, bay leaf, some melting, I think it's called peppercorn, not peppercorns, cloves, yeah. Melt up some butter, and then I sieve in the flour. It just makes it easier, and you're less likely to have clumps. And then, just give it a little mix. And once you get it to this kind of like yellow wallpaper paste consistency, you can consider your flour to be cooked. You've taken away that raw flavor. At this point, you can start reintroducing your infused or seasoned milk. Now it's going to be kind of runny when you're doing this, and I have edited out the boring parts, but here's a time lapse showing you how it kind of gets thicker. See the way it's like, you can pull your thing through it. It takes a while for it to follow through or close up or whatever. It's like you're part in the Red Sea. Then you know it's ready. So the method I follow is red pasta white. So you can see the pasta goes down, then the white, and then the red. You don't need to smear it out, okay? And just throw your stuff on top, Now when you finish with your maybe 3 or 4 layers, put in your grated, dry, mature mozzarella, okay? Cover it in cheese, and then I think you cook it in the oven for maybe covered with tin foil for 20 minutes, and then uncovered for a further 20 minutes, so it goes nice and brown like this. And then you end up with this like amazing lasagna. It's so good. It's my daughter's favorite. Now, how the YouTube algorithm works, if you want to see my videos again, you need to click on that subscribe button. Ideally hit the bell button. Man, it was good.